Hi guys, I am Ilse Saunders.
I'm Jean van Zyl.
And together we're going to share our lifestyle hacks. Yay!
We're going to look at some health guidelines, natural beauty hacks.
Don't forget the fitness and our healthy recipes.
Stick with us.
Stick with us. Yay! First we're going to show you
our favorite breakfast recipe. Coconut banana flapjacks.
Ooh, yum, with a dash of cinnamon. Yay! Let's go. Voila, our coconut and banana flapjacks. So Jean, tell me, why is this so healthy?
First of all, we use coconut flour as the flour. It's in its nature gluten-free, so it's great for people who wish to avoid gluten. And it can be used for baking and also other recipes. We also used eggs as a protein source, and eggs also have various other health benefits, and they're delicious to use in flapjacks.
They are indeed, and my favorite, the berries and banana.
Yeah, fruit are very rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals, and the berries are rich in antioxidants, which is great for the skin, and it also has anti-aging benefits.
And we also use coconut oil, and the reason for that is that it's healthier.
Yeah, absolutely. It's quite healthy and it's very heat resistant. So you can use it for cooking, baking, frying, and it stimulates your metabolism. It helps with immune support, and it also provides an immediate source of energy. So for exercise, it's a wonderful oil to use for cooking and for smoothies.
So there you have it, our coconut and banana flapjacks. Yum! Amazing. So we added the coconut oil to moisturize the skin.
We also added some avocado, which has lots of healthy oils that benefits the skin.
And then raw honey that has antibacterial property.
And lastly, we added some cayenne pepper, which improves circulation to the skin surface and benefits the skin in so many ways.
Yay, let's do it.
Yay!
Great. Once you have made the recipes, you will be hooked. Now onto the pretty moves. We're gonna focus on the abs, core and legs. We're gonna start with the plank with leg lifts, squats that burns, and bestie sit-ups.